Supper. The Jewish Passover. Jesus and his disciples are gathered in a big hall to celebrate this important feast. They are all seated around a table. Knowing that he is about to die, Jesus takes the bread, gives thanks, breaks the bread, and gives it to his disciples, saying, "This is my body, which will be given up for you. Do this in memory of me." And likewise, the cup after they had eaten, saying, "This cup is the new covenant in my blood, which will be shed for you." Then, with a sad voice he said, "And yet, behold the hands of the one who is to betray me is with me on the table." Thank you.